Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, answering a question that you have left me. A person who has a problem with the engine of his car, and it is leaking oil from the gasket of the crankcase. He has taken it to a workshop, and in the workshop they have told him that this is due to the crankcase being inflated, and he asks, what can cause the crankcase to inflate? Crankcase is that there is excess pressure. As there is excess pressure, it pushes the crankcase, and the gases originating inside the engine would end up coming out and would also push the oil out of the engine through the gasket. What causes this? It could be due to a wear on the piston rings or segments, excessive wear, and that part of the gases that originate inside the cylinder, after the explosion, go to the crankcase. That would create excess pressure in the crankcase and could cause this. There is also another cause that could cause this failure, or, that would be, an obstruction in the valve that releases the excess pressure that is produced inside the engine, be it the PCV, the gas decanter, or the gas recirculation filter, depending on the type of engine. Here what should be checked first, is that this valve is not obstructed, and later, if we see that it is not obstructed, then, we should already check the compression inside the cylinders, because, I already told you, that one of those two causes will originate this failure. Well, here you have this video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.